Hello guys, this is the bar stool. Now today I have a special video for you. I am at Mogi's in Lowborough, Pennsylvania, and this is the Hawaiian chicken wrap. There you go. That's what the wrap looks like, a Hawaiian chicken wrap. It has coconut panko fried chicken breast, pineapple, coconut, shredded cheeses, and lettuce served with pineapple, honey, soy sauce, and sun-dried tomato wrap. It's $12 for just that, but I got a platter, which was a little bit extra money with fries and stuff. They offer as a combo meal. And, yeah, let's give it a try. That is very delicious. This is a very nice restaurant. You gotta come out to see it in Pennsylvania. And I give it 5 out of 5 stars.
How does it taste?
Let's try the French fries. French fries are pretty good. 5 out of 5 stars. Alright guys, we'll see ya. Have a nice day.